Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. You know, it is I, Teresa the Virgo. Anyways, I'm gonna just take you guys with me on this journey of coloring this old wig. Like, I just couldn't bring myself to buy a new wig and try to color it on the first try because it's gonna be my first try trying to color a wig basically. So I just found an old one. But anyways, it's an old one. I'm dyeing it purple and as you can see, yeah. I am doing the hot water, whatever method that is, when you put the dye in the hot water and you mix it around and then you just dip the wig in it and bam, it's dyed. I'm doing that method because I just don't have time to be trying to brush a wig. Like, if I know I'm dyeing it all one color, I'm not gonna sit there and brush it. Anybody got time for all that? This method came about so that people didn't have to waste time doing that. So yeah. But anyways, let's get right to this video. So here is my hot water, and it is boiling hot water at that. And this is the dye that I'm going to be using. I didn't know that it was broken in the back, like, you know, the back of the tube. So basically, I dyed my hands. You're going to see that, but I dyed my hands as well, trying to figure out how to use this crap. Here go the wig. It is a honey blonde wig. I'm just combing it out right now just to get like any leftover tangles out. I don't hear this enough when I watch these videos, but y'all be careful when y'all trying this method out because this shit do really burn. Hair around, and I actually saw that there was the whole front of my wig was still brown. It was weird, so I decided to dip it again. So I put more dye in the water and proceeded to dip the hair twice. The water was still hot, so I just was like, why not? So this is how the wig turned out. I forgot how many inches this was. I think it was like 12 or something. But yeah, this is how the wig turned out. I do have a couple light streaks. I'm not even gonna lie. But it looks purple. It's pretty nice. It's cute.